beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. We have some beautiful natural curly haircuts for beautiful matured women. If you're 50 or over 50, this video is for you. I just want you to just sit down, watch this video because you're not going to regret watching this beautiful styles. Look at this particular style. Like whether you have a salt and pepper, you can go for this beautiful curly haircut. And this haircut or coils is achieved using the right product. Like we have the Mayo Kit. Mayo Kit, you can get it for $7, $8 to $20 depending on your location. And if it's something you can't get in your local shop, you can order online through Amazon and you will get it at your doorstep. Another product that can give you those beautiful defined coils is the Dose. It's another good product that will give you those beautiful coils we're about to see on the screen, and it's also between the range of $16 to $20. Also can be ordered online to AliExpress and the rest of them. I just want you guys to see you can also achieve these coils using the comb, to get these coils, or sometimes with the finger, but most times you can see how the coil is defined is achieved using the comb. So I just want you guys to see how this beautiful matured women transition to having the cuts they really want. See how this beautiful woman's hair, you can see the transition from her very long hair to a low cut. Because one thing I want you guys to know is that short hair is really trendy, and the style is that kind of style that is really a cut that would take many years of your age. See the way she was before, and I want you to see how now you can see how 20 years have been taken off her age. Even you can see her slaying with her salt and peppered hair. Sometimes you don't need to use this color and all that. You need to just be proud of your salt and peppered, or even your gray hair, and rock your style so confidently to let the world know that I am proud of being a beautiful black woman that's rocking my short haircut the way I want. Let me just let you guys to please cover the rest of the styles. Don't forget that Short Hairstyles lives here in Wendy Styles, and we are here to bring the most trendiest short haircuts that are really trending as long as short hairstyle is concerned. I really appreciate you guys, my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all, my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and stay up to Wendy Styles for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way in the next few hours. God bless you.
I get got my cocoa, what do you? I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by you are telling my body won't is true. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so top, yeah. I used to do it in my mind. I am a polymer. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by you are telling my body won't is true. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so top, yeah. I used to do it in my mind. I am a polymer. No matter what you do, you the baby lucky, yeah. water, yo, I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple about you, I tell you, you're throwing my body, won't need suru. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us all top, yeah. I was still waiting in my mind. I am up, my I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple about you, I tell you, you're throwing my body, won't need suru. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us all top, yeah. I was still waiting in my mind. I am up, my I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple about you, I tell you, you're throwing my body, won't need suru. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us all top, yeah. I was still waiting in my mind. I am up, my